Hello children, in the previous class I have already explained you chapter 5, that is be safe in EVS. So this week in EVS you will be doing the book exercise work of chapter 5. So now open your book to page 28. The first question is, take the correct word given in the bracket. Here you have to read each sentences and then take the correct word. Number 1 is push or never push anyone on the stairs. Children, we know that we should never push anyone on the stairs. Why? Because if we do so, the person will fall down from the stairs and will get injured. And we should never harm anyone. So the correct answer is never push anyone on the stairs. The next one is never play with knife or toys. Children, we love playing with toys. Playing with toys are fun, but we should never play with knife. Why? Because knife is a sharp-edged object. If we play with a knife, what will happen? We will end up cutting our own finger or any part of our body if we play with a knife. So the answer is never play with knife. Number 3, jump or don't jump from the moving bus. We should never jump from the moving bus. We should let the bus stop completely and then we should get down from the bus. Otherwise, we'll we'll fall down and we'll get injured. Now, come to page 29. Fill in the blanks with the words given in the help box. So see, these are the words given. We have to read out the sentences and fill it up with the suitable words from the box. We should never dash an animal. So from this box, the word tease is suitable. We should never tease an animal. Otherwise, what will happen if we tease an animal? The animal might be wild one and it might bite or scratch you. So we should never tease an animal. Next is footpaths should be used for walking. Definitely. We should use footpath for walking. We should never walk on the road because on the road there are moving vehicles, but we will never find moving vehicles on the footpath. Footpaths are safe for us to walk. So we should always walk on footpath to avoid accidents. So footpaths should be used for walking. Next is never try to light a matchstick. Children should never light the crackers themselves. Never push anyone on the stairs. Now the next question is write T for true and F for false statements. Number 1, never rush down the stairs. Yes, we should never rush down the stairs. We should always come down with steady steps to avoid tripping down. So this sentence is completely true. So we'll put T here in the box. Next is children can play with electric wires. No way. Children or any people should not play with electric wires. We may catch electric shock or we may get electric shock. So this sentence is completely a false or a wrong statement. So we'll put F here. Number 3, we can play with the stray dogs. No, definitely not. Stray dogs might be wild and if we tease them, then what will happen? They may bite or scratch us. So again, this is a false statement. So write F here. We should never play with sharp-edged objects. Absolutely, we should never play with such things. So it's a true statement. So write T here. Number D is write the names of 2 sharp-edged objects that can hurt you at home. Children, here I have mentioned 4 types or 4 sharp age objects that can hurt us at home. So out of these 4, you can write only 2. Okay, so I have written knife, blade, needle, safety pin. So out of these 4, you can write any 2. Now number 2 is 2 sharp edge objects that can hurt you in the school. Scissors and box cutter. Children, we know what is a scissor. So a box cutter looks like this. So a scissor, a pair of scissors and box cutter, we need these things to cut papers, especially when we do a craft work. So children, we should not use this alone. We should always use it in presence of a teacher or an adult. So I hope you have understood and will be able to complete the exercise work. Okay, this thing should be done in your book itself, and in your EVS copy you will be writing these 2 questions and answers. So the first one is draw, color and label the following items. First aid box, 3 things we keep in a first aid box. So the first question you will be doing in the white side of your EVS copy. You will be giving the heading, you will be giving the chapter number, and you will be drawing a first aid box and 3 things you keep in a first aid box. Any three things. Next is number 2. Write any 4 safety rules to be followed to avoid accidents. Children, in this chapter you have learned many safety rules that we need to follow to avoid accidents. So out of those you can write any 4. And see, I have written 4 points. You can learn these points and write it down in your EVS copy, or you can write any 4 safety rules that you have studied in the chapter, in chapter 5. And I have also given the reference link for drawing. This will help you to draw the first aid box and the things you keep in a first aid box. So you can click the link and learn how you can draw the things, that is the first aid box and the things we need to we keep in the first aid box. So I hope you will be able to do this work also. And children, one thing to be noted, that is, do not forget to put the chapter number and date, and at last, after you complete your work, do not forget to draw the ending line. Thank you.